VSCodium versus VSCode. Is VSCodium better? Well, VSCodium is a community-driven, fully open-source build of Visual Studio Code. It's built from the source code, but strips out Microsoft branding, telemetry, and proprietary licensing. It offers a clean, privacy-first alternative. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it has no telemetry or tracking. All data collection features are removed. It is also truly open source, which means it's licensed under MIT. It also features parity with VS Code. It includes Git integration, debugging, and supports with most expansions. It also has a cross-platform support. It's available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux via installers. And they have community-driven updates. Now for the cons though, there's no official support yet, and there are extension limitations. There are also some marketplace restrictions, and then there may be some potential update lag. So they also have occasional stability or setup issues. Now Visual Studio Code, on the other hand, has the Microsoft's distributed version of the open source Code OSS, enhanced with telemetry, branding, and deep integration with Microsoft services. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it has official builds and supports which are reliable with the updates. It also offers full extension ecosystem, which is easy to access through the Microsoft Marketplace, and they have integrated Microsoft services. The problem is they have telemetry by default, and the proprietary license has some limitations and transparency with the modifying of it. And the corporate branding also has some issues, which means it includes the logos and other company specific features. But overall, if you're looking for a privacy, open source purity, and avoiding telemetry that are non-negotiable, VSCodium is the better choice. But if you want offering nearly identical functionality without Microsoft's tracking, then choose VS Code Studio.